the same amount of noise as a window unit, like or when you're at a hotel and you turn it on. Now that it is plugged in, it'll automatically show you the temperature that is in the room. So currently it is 77 degrees. I'm going to power it on. It's on cool, and it just kicked on. You can adjust your temperature. So I'm going to put it on 74. Now it said that the temperature, well, 78 now. I have a indoor thermometer, and it says 78 degrees as well at 3:10 p.m. (3:22 p.m.) and 75 degrees. It's 3:51 and I now have 74 degrees. Now when this is 1.8 degrees below your set temperature, then the compressor will turn off. If it goes 1.8 above your set degree, the compressor will turn back on. The compressor is just shut off. If you notice the time, it is 3:53. Okay, to change to the dehumidifier, you're going to hit mode. It's going to go to dehumidify, and the fan's going to be on low. You cannot adjust the fan. Now, it has the Celsius, then it has the humidity and the Fahrenheit, but I cannot get this to be the humidity. See, cool Fahrenheit. I can use the remote control to go between Celsius and Fahrenheit, but I can't get it to go to humidity. So we're going to base it on mine. It is 3:59 and I have 71% in humidity. It's currently 4:10 and the humidity is 62%, so it's almost dropped 10% in 10 minutes. You can press mode again to get out of the dehumidifier and go to fan. And you can control if it's a high or low fan. You can set a timer, so it'll go off after so many minutes. Now right here is your water full, and there will be a sound and this will light up to let you know that the water is full, and it's not going to work until this has been emptied. And I'm going to show you where that's located. Now this is the back bottom of the portable AC, and you will unscrew this and there'll be a stopper, and so you'll take off the drain screw and the stopper, and then the water will start coming out. So either you can do it manually, or you can put a tray underneath it to catch the water, or you can use the PVC hose and have a continuous drain. They recommend you doing it manually, just so there's enough water just to keep the condenser cool and to keep the air cool flowing through.